I had purchased the pink cherry blossoms. They're artificial. They're faux silk. They are very nice looking. I'm very impressed with these. They are bendable, so you can bend them out where you want them to be. And there's several pieces on each one. All I did was they come in 6-piece sets. And like I said, in pink and white. This is the pink. I thought they're very pretty. I just put them all together. This is really not a vase, but I turned it into one. And I just put them right down in here. And I have some of the green faux stuff, that you put in. And I just did that and then put it right down in here. I actually covered it with a little piece of cloth to make it look kind of nice and sat it in. And it looks perfect in there. Really nice for spring. I said they are bendable. You just need to bend them out to put them in the right place. Very impressed with these. They look perfect. And I may even order some in the white as well. And they even come with 2 packs of a rose sachet. Smells really good. So you can put that in there and they can smell like fresh flowers when someone comes in and sees them. So I have them right at my entry and I think they look beautiful for spring.